All right, now I have got to show you a couple of things today, and I'm gonna try to make this quick because the one bit of news is this might be the last video I make in this apartment because I'm going to be moving in a few days. I need more space. If you can see what I got here, I can no longer do this with all this space or the limited space and all this equipment. Next, I need to show you something. Are you ready? Uh-oh. Guerrilla Data Analysis 3rd edition. Overcoming crap data and Excel skirmishes. This book that was written by me and Mr. Excel, Bill Jelen. They arrived today. Wow. It's exciting stuff here. Cause this book is designed to make a person functional in Excel. You are not just gonna get a whole bunch of here is how to do stuff. There is why you do things. We point out things that are kind of awkward in Excel. Bill Jelen does a lot of that in the parts that he wrote. In parts that I wrote, I tell stories, real situations, case studies, you might want to call them. That's the kind of thing that's in this book. Here's what we're going to deal with today. John Akampura is at Yellowstone National Park, and he whooped an Excel challenge on us. And that's what I'm going to solve for you today. He's saying that in order to limit the number of guests in the park, there is a system in place. If your license plate ends with an odd number, you can come in on odd number days. If your license plate ends in an even number, right, you can come in on even number days. But it gets snaky. Look at this. 123 M57. Okay, odd. 1 COU 886 even. That's easy. But then let's look at something else. 884 PCX. The rule says go to the latest number in the license plate and pull that. Therefore, our solution needs to see the 4. Even number. That car can come in on an even number day. But let's look at beach. There are no numbers. If the license plate has no numbers, those cars can come in on odd days. For this challenge, I'm not going to use John's examples. I kind of sweetened it up a bit. Sometimes the license plate number has dashes in it, sometimes spaces. So I've got the max as a license plate number. There's 17-G-20, New Funk with a space in between, C2C. All right, let's do it. Cursor in the data set, right click, get data from table/range. I'm not going to work on my source data. With this column highlighted, right click, duplicate column. Now I'm going to convert this to text. Now, replace values. Replace the hyphens with nothing. Okay. Hyphens are gone. Replace values. Find the space. Replace with nothing. Okay. Hyphens are gone. Now, this is sexy. Add a column. Custom column. Equals text.remove, open parentheses, remove from where? From this column. Double click there. Comma, remove what? Because these are all caps, we're good. We don't have to deal with any lowercase letters. So here's how we're going to start. Double quote, A, double quote, dot, dot, double quote, Z double quote, close parentheses. But we got to make a list. So what we're going to do is put this in curly brackets. All right, now here we go. Okay. Ho! Look at that. Now we need a little bit more room. Now I'm going to convert this to a number. Whole number. Look at that. Now we're still in the Add Column tab in Power Query. Watch this. I'm going to go to Information. Is even, is odd. Let's go with is odd. Look at that. Our second entry has a true because yes, it ends in a 7. That is an odd number. The errors. That means there were no numbers left when we were done because new func is neither odd nor even. You know, and then look at the 2 for C to C. We have that 2 and there's a false because, right, it is not odd. Now I'm going to change the type to text. Let's deal with the errors. These errors mean there's no numbers. Those can come in on odd days. So let's see. Right click, replace errors. Odd. Okay. Look at that. We're almost done. Right click, replace values. Wherever there's a true, the value should show odd. Okay. Wherever there's a false, you know it. Right click, replace values. False should say even. Okay. Clean the stuff up. I'm going to highlight this column, right click, remove. Right click this one, go away. Put this days. All right. Now go over here, close and load 2. I'm going to put it on an existing worksheet, put it right here. Okay. Look at that. Doesn't this make you feel good? Get rid of these filter buttons. All right. I feel even better with those filter buttons gone. Okay. See you later is accurately showing up as even. There is the solution to John Akampura's challenge. And now I'm gonna get back to getting ready to move apartments. And meanwhile, you read up on this Guerrilla Data Analysis, 3rd edition by me and Bill Jellin.